G'day folks, welcome to Steadfast Detailing. We've got some pretty sweet products to show you today. This is from Haloblk. Now, this is a new company which is from America and they've sent us out their goodies. So I'm very excited to check this out. Now, the boxing on this looks fabulous already. Let's just do an unboxing here. This is a pretty awesome looking set of accessories. Wow. So we've got a cup holder, and then we also have center console organizer. We've got alloy pedals as well, and also this. So it looks like we have here just some welcoming messages, and they've given us a car fresh air freshener as well. What I love about this is that the product and the packaging looks very, very premium. And I love that it's got like a cyber and futuristic sort of like a Transformers feel to it. So we'll unbox and check out each of these products individually. First up, we've got here the cup holders. So we can see that it's food grade silicone. There's a retaining ring, key card design, and also for the Model 3 and white refresh. This packaging feels super premium. And we have here this really cool looking design sketch. So that's pretty awesome. Some documentation here. And check it out itself. That's the cup holder. Very cool looking design. I really like this. So what I really like about it is, you can see here it's got a retaining ring, which means that it won't just come out of the cup holder in the Tesla. It'll stay in there. They've got a emboss section here which shows you this is where the key card holder goes. Very, very nice. Okay, next one. Alloy pedals. So I believe there were 4 different designs for the alloy pedals. The one that I've chosen is this on-off design. Once again, really nice packaging with the design sketches. Actually, this is the correct way. Some product instructions on how to install it. Also a sticker. And this is an aluminium alloy / metal material. So this is what you would do. You would peel that back, go over the brake pedal, and I love that it says off. It's kind of like a toy. And there are some coordinates here as well. Don't know what those coordinates are for, but you can probably look that up. Same thing with the accelerator pedal, or rather the on pedal. It even says toy switch. So yeah, it's like a toy. It's like on, off, on, off. Really love it. It's kind of like a Transformers-esque. And here's the very last product. So this is the center console organizer tray. This comes in 2 pieces. And once again, we've got the design sketch here. It looks very cool. I really like that you can place the sunglasses in a very specific spot. So these are the instructions, nothing much to it. So top part of it is a silicone mold. And then the second piece is a hard ABS plastic. And it's got this little notch here to help you to separate your charging cables. So pop the mold back in here, and it's got this little nook here. So you rest your sunglasses with the nose piece here, and then it kind of just suspends. And then you also have this L-shaped little notch there, which is to help you hold key cards and also, you know, whatever other cards you have. You have this supposed to be a coin tray, and then just another little tray here to put your knickknacks. And then you also have this little notch cut out, which allows you to feed your USB cables through from the bottom of the center console. So very, very nifty. No, seriously, I can't get over how good these look. And there's also this ribbing here, which is supposed to help for stability so that the tray doesn't slide back and forth. Man, these look way cooler than a lot of the other Tesla accessories, which are just like pretty bland. Can't wait to install these now. So this is what it originally looks like. We can see that this is bare, there's nothing in here, and we've got the OEM genuine Tesla tray here, which is flock line. But let's say you didn't have that. Well, you just have all of these cables and all your knickknacks just there. So what everyone really dislikes about this cup holder is that it's pretty big. This cup holder is too big for an ordinary size bottle, and when driving, this just gets knocked around. No one likes that. So now we have our Haloblk. So that just gets popped in right there. Easy. Water bottle, fits snug. It's not going anywhere. And it comes out quite easily as well. And the retaining ring is perfect because you can't actually just rip this out with one hand. It takes a lot of effort. You need to use two hands to take it out because of this retaining ring. So this little slit here actually prevents it from just getting pulled up. And then our tray here slots right in easily, just like that. And we can see that the cable here can make its way. It's got that little notch there so that the cable can come out, and it can just be plugged in whatever you need. So we've got the performance pedals here, and these are pretty simple to remove. Just gotta peel them off from the back. And so that's what the original brake pedal looks like, and then the same thing with the accelerator pedal. Now let's get these new pedals on. So I've got a spicy tip for you guys if you need help to get this on. If you're weak and you can't pull them from the back, so with all these notches, you're supposed to pull and break them apart. Not actually break them, but pull them apart enough so that you can fit the rubber over it. If you're too weak to do that, what you can do is put these in some hot or almost boiling water just for a couple minutes, just to soften the rubber back. So we'll try that, and if I'm too weak, then I can try using the hot water. So let's fit this one on. All right, so that's on there nice and tight. So I found it easier to, pull them apart and then slip it over the top, and then using your fingers, keep prying the rubber away from the bottom. And that gets it in there. Looks awesome. All right, time to get the on pedal or the accelerator pedal on. So same thing, pull it apart from the side and try to fit it through so that we can get the rubber piece overlapping and covering everything. That's in there nice and tight as well. Looks fantastic. Once again, guys, we want to thank Haloblk for sending out these products for us to review. Now, these products, these 3 of them, cost around about $100, but we have a discount code for 10% off. So if you use Steadfast10 at checkout, you get a nice little gift there. Also, down in the description, we have our Tesla referral link. So if you do think you are interested in buying a Tesla, make sure to use our referral link. That way you and I can get some recharge credits, supercharging credits, that is. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Help us out. See you later.